Hey everyone, what I will be showing you guys today is how to replace a fuel rail pressure sensor. And the reason why I thought I would make this video is one, I didn't really see any videos out there on a GT500. I've seen a few on Coyote Mustangs and some of the older Terminators, the 0304 Cobras. So I thought I would do one on my GT500, and what this is, a 2011 for those of you that might not know. And this should be the same for all of the newer GT500s. For sure the 1011, 10 through 12, and I'm sure the previous ones, the 2000 and what is it, 2007 to 2009. I figured those would be the same as well, but don't take my word for it. Let's get to the video. I would like to apologize in advance for the lighting. I don't have my lights hung in my garage yet, the bright LED ones, but yeah, so let's get this started. First, what I always like to do is disconnect the battery anytime you're dealing with electrical. And if you see right here, you got an electrical plug-in. You probably don't have to, but I always like to, just to be safe. All right, now that we have that undone, we are going to disconnect this. And to do that, you just pinch up here and just pull straight out. Just slide that off, set that aside. Oh, first we need to put some rags down there. And sorry again about the light, and do not make fun of my rags. I completely ran out of shop towels. All right, now I think you just lift up on it. Yeah, squirt it out a little bit. All right, here it is. So if you were replacing your fuel rail pressure sensor, that's how you would remove it, and you just follow the steps to put it back in place. It's super simple and quick. Now you don't have to get these really tight. I don't know the exact foot pounds, but whenever I removed them, you know, they weren't really cranked on there. I mean, everything is just plastic there, so. And then you just push this vacuum back on. Remove our paper towels. Reconnect our power, and then connect the negative terminal back. Alright, and now that we got the battery all tightened up, it is dirty under here, and I do apologize for that. I do plan on cleaning up the whole engine bay really nice. But that's it. Just disconnect the battery, disconnect the electrical here, the vacuum hose, and the 2 bolts there. Pop it off. It is secured by a rubber O-ring, so it is a little booger to get out, but it's not bad. Go backwards in steps and you're done. Alright guys, I really hope that video helped out, and if you are experiencing issues and you don't have a idea what it might be, I will post below in the comments what some codes you could expect, and I will also put the part number of the fuel rail pressure sensor. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel, and I do have a goal 2020 to get over 1,000 followers, so definitely smash that like button and subscribe button. And I hope you guys had an awesome New Year's. Hopefully everyone stayed safe. Thanks for watching.